Now let's have a look at the bush chalets at Namutoni Resort. Now they are tucked behind the fort in a nice quiet area. They're actually the closest accommodation to the waterhole that's lit at night, and they're much more spacious than any of the other accommodation at Namutoni. They're big chalets with their own private area, and they're not attached to anything, dotted around behind the fort, and there's only 20 of them. So they can, in high season, in the winter of southern Africa, summer of northern hemisphere, they can be quite difficult to get if you don't book in advance, but they are nice because they are very spacious. So if you're spending a bit more time in the area and you want a place to create a base, they're ideal for that, because you can spend 3, 4, 5, 6 nights there and feel quite comfortable. The rooms are also okay, but they're just a little bit smaller. So the bush chalets. There's 20 of them, nicely spaced out. As you come up to the bush chalet, you can't park right outside the chalet. Like with a lot of the rooms, you have to park in a parking area and then carry your bags and things down to the bush chalet. It's something to be aware of and be prepared for. But it does mean there's not cars driving in and amongst the chalets, which is great. But there is the path that go up to them. So you go along the path, you come to your entrance, and you've got a nice big area which is set out with a table and chairs outside. Then you go up the steps and you go into the chalet itself. Again, nice area in the entrance of the chalet, which has a mini fridge, a kettle, tea and coffee, and a little sofa and a chair and table to sit at, and there's some plug points down there. Then it's open plan. You then come to the beds, because it's all open plan, with twin beds pushed together, linen, pillows, duvets, all provided. Then you go around to the bathroom. Again, they've got baths at Namutoni, which is really nice, with a shower attachment on. Twin vanities, toilet, mirrors, toiletries are provided, so towels, shampoo, insect repellent and face cream are all provided. That's in the bathroom. Then you can go back door out of the bathroom onto another private area which has the outdoor shower, which is also very nice. So that's the bush chalets. They are much more spacious and a bit quieter and more private than the rooms. Of course, you've still got all the facilities at the resort. As I mentioned earlier, the bush chalets are the closest accommodation to the waterhole that's lit at night. So you come out of the back of where the bush chalets, you've got the fort to your left, you just go straight across. There's a path that goes down to the waterhole that you can sit out all day or all night and see what comes in now at the waterhole there. The fort is close by, which is great for a wander around. You can only wander in during the day, not during the night. And of course you've got the restaurant, the bar on site, and the little shop. There is fuel at the entrance with leaded and diesel, and the reception area is at the entrance as well. So it's unlike a lot of the other camps where everything's in one place. The reception and the fuel are right at the entrance, and the shop and the restaurant and the bar are all located nearer the accommodation. And the swimming pool, the lovely swimming pool there, is located between the bush chalets, the dining area and the fort in the middle section there. Really great for dipping in during the heat of the day. Wi-Fi is only available at the restaurant bar area. There's no Wi-Fi in the bush chalets. So that is a quick summary of the bush chalets at Namutoni Resort in Etosha.